6 Great Uses for Watermelon Rind. Watermelon is an extremely healthy fruit. It's perfect for keeping you hydrated and removing toxins at the same time. However, we often miss one of its components when eating it, its rind. This usually ends up in the trash, despite its impressive benefits. Do you want to know what they are? The surprising benefits and uses of watermelon rind. As we said, watermelons have numerous benefits. Here are the most striking ones that the peel of this fruit has to offer. 1. It delays aging. The appearance of wrinkles and deterioration of the body is caused by free radicals. The best weapons to fight against them are vitamin A and C and lycopene. These can all be found in watermelon rind, hence, it also works as an antioxidant. There are 2 options to reap the rewards of this part of the fruit: directly put it on your skin or consume it. While both are effective, the second option is more powerful. You can include the white part of the peel in a smoothie or a fruit juice. 2. Watermelon rind is an ideal facial cleanser. Watermelons have astringent properties, so the peel is ideal for cleansing the skin. Using it will put an end to all your skin impurities and you won't have to resort to pharmaceutical skin care products. So, you'll save money and invest in your health. In addition, avoid the dreaded side effects that some of these chemicals cause in the long run. The easiest way to benefit from this positive aspect of watermelon peel is to massage your face it. However, you can also add honey, as it has antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties that always come in handy for the delicate skin of this area of the body. 3. It improves circulation. Citrulline, which favors optimum levels of arginine, is another beneficial nutrient found in watermelon rinds. Our arteries stay healthy and retain their elasticity thanks to this organic compound, which means they can transport our blood properly. In this regard, we recommend using watermelon peel to prevent cardiovascular problems. Just try a delicious juice with this part of the fruit as the main ingredient. 4. Watermelon peel helps us fall asleep. Your brain needs stable serotonin levels in order for you to sleep. However, the stress we experience and our fast-paced lives prevent this neurotransmitter from being created in the amount that should be produced. Fortunately, watermelon rind is rich in carbohydrates, polysaccharides, which help the release of this substance. In addition, this part of watermelon improves sleep quality, which helps you sleep more hours in a row. You're guaranteed to sleep well. 5. It provides energy. This part of the watermelon is so complete that it helps us sleep and face the day with energy at the same time. It energizes us thanks to vitamin B6, which is essential for synthesizing magnesium and dopamine. Both are ideal to start the day with energy. Given this, we advise that you consume watermelon rind as part of your breakfasts frequently. 6. Watermelon rind reduces fat. The arginine in watermelon rinds favors the functioning of certain processes that prevent the formation of fat. Furthermore, its diuretic properties will stimulate the elimination of fat. This makes watermelon peel ideal for maintaining a great figure. Take advantage of the benefits of watermelon peel with this recipe. 1. Watermelon juice. Ingredients: at least 2 slices of watermelon, a few mint leaves. Method: first, cut the 2 watermelon peel slices and add them to the blender. Then, blend them until you get a smooth mixture. If you prefer a more liquid texture, strain the mixture. However, it'd be more nutritious if you don't do this. Include a few mint leaves to add freshness to the drink. If you want to promote weight loss, add crushed ice. With this recipe, you have a natural refreshment that will strengthen your body. 2. Watermelon salad. Combine pieces of watermelon peel, including the white part, with onion. Season with black pepper. This mixture may seem strange, but give it a try. You might love it. 3. Cold soup. There are many possibilities, but one of the tastiest, most refreshing and beneficial one is a kiwi, melon and watermelon soup. Simply blend them together until you get the desired consistency. As you know, it's not possible to buy watermelons all year round. However, you can freeze them during the summer to stock up for the winter, since frozen foods don't lose their properties.